These sounds aren't from a horror movie, they're made by birds, and some of them will send chills down your spine. The red-tailed hawk, one of the most iconic bird calls in movies. It's dramatic, intense, and totally unforgettable. The loon haunting, echoing calls across a quiet lake. No wonder it's a favorite sound effect in thrillers. The shoebill, a prehistoric-looking bird, with a call that sounds like a machine gun. It's actually part of their courtship display. The talking raven, able to mimic human speech and even laughter. Sometimes it's so convincing, you'd swear someone was right next to you. The lyrebird, the ultimate impressionist. Chainsaws, alarms, camera shutters, even a crying baby. All for one purpose, to attract a mate. Which bird had the creepiest sound? Let me know in the comments.